Hey guys, Liz and Petunia here. So happy to see ya. So I want to ask you a question today. My question is, do you want to feel better? So do you want to feel better? Are you having a crappy day? Do you not feel good? Do you want to feel better? The first step in wanting to feel better is you have to want to feel better, because sometimes you just want to feel bad. You just want to be moody. You want to embrace your grief. You want to feel terrible. You want people to feel sorry for you, whatever it is, and that's okay. There is no right or wrong answer here. But do you want to feel better? If you want to feel better, then this video is for you. It's for you. So if you don't know me, my name is Liz Pivito, and if you don't follow me on Facebook, let me just give you a little backstory. So I have a diagnosis of Lyme disease, and last week I posted, I'm at my daughter's school waiting to pick her up, so there's going to be cars going by in the background. Sorry about that. But last week I posted a picture of myself. I had hives on my face, and my face was pretty much unrecognizable, and because of that Lyme flare, I was pretty much in bed for the week prior and a few days after. And then as soon as I started feeling better, we had a water leak in our house, and my husband had to completely gut our master bathroom. And home construction is one of my triggers for my anxiety. So I hit what I called my terror barrier and had kind of a, almost had a meltdown. And then today is February 20th when I'm recording this video. Today is the 2-year anniversary of my dad passing away. So I have every freaking excuse. I have every excuse to be laying in the fetal position in my bed, just rocking back and forth, crying all day, just feeling completely sorry for myself. I have every reason, but I'm not. So what I've done today is I've been doing the final edits on my book. I have been creating I'm doing the edits right now as I'm waiting on my daughter at school on a free workshop called Energy Anchors. And I just wanted to hop on here because and shoot this video because I want to tell you that you can feel better. You can feel better today, right now, in the next three minutes. You really can. And the deal is, it's all about habits. And you probably have, if you feel bad more than you feel good on a daily basis, the truth is you probably have habits that are setting you up to feel bad every single day. So I want to teach you some habits that can set you up to feel better every single day. Would you be interested in learning that? Okay, so I'm going to give you one right now just as a teaser. So one of my very favorite ways to feel better within a 3-minute window is to crank up my favorite song and dance. So Tony Robbins is actually the one that taught me this at one of his conferences, and he every once in a while, when he sees that people are starting to get sleepy or not engage or whatever, he will jam out the music and have everybody get up and act like a crazy person dancing for 3 minutes. So go do that. That's your homework assignment for this video, is to go turn on your favorite music and just dance like a crazy person, and tell me that you don't feel better after you do it. It's Petunia approved. Okay, so here's what I have to offer you. Like I said, I'm creating this workshop. It's going to be a recorded video called Energy Anchors, where I cover 10 or more. Right now I have 10, and I'm still working on it. 10 practices or habits or anchors that you can do to set yourself up to feel better. Some of them will work instantly. Some of them are habits and things that you need to do every single day. But guys, there are ways that you can feel better every single day. Everything from dancing, listening to music, everything from going outside, from hugging an animal, to supplements you can take, to words that you say, to things that you do. Okay, so there's at least 10. I have 10 right now, and I may be adding some more practices, anchors, habits that you can do to make yourself feel better today. So if you answered yes to the question, yes, I want to feel better, then you need to watch the live workshop video that I'm going to be recording. Okay, I haven't recorded it yet. I'm getting on it. I'm going to get it done. But here's how you can get in on that. So if you're watching this, actually this is going to be a recording for YouTube. So Just all you need to do is text the number. I'm going to put this in the description. 817-612-4922. The word energy, and this is for the people in the US only. So again, 817-612-4922, the word energy, and I will send you the link to the video as soon as it's finished. No catches. It's totally 100% free because I love you and I want you to feel better. Okay, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, look me up and follow me on Facebook. All right, guys, I love you. Feel better today. Bye-bye.